Hello class, I hope you're doing well. I'm going to do a quick video for a student who is having a problem when working with the course that I have on Udemy, the course where I model a Rolex watch. So the problem that the student is having is that he has a gap in between some polygons and the gap shouldn't be there. So he has something like this. Now, if we want to get rid of this gap, we can do it in different ways, but the way that is the easiest way maybe is the following. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have your object selected, of course. Then make sure that you are on the point mode. And then we're going to be merging these different points together. So I'm going to start by merging these 2 points. So I'm going to select them both, like so, and then I'm going to use the weld tool. Now the weld tool is this one over here, and the shortcut is MQ. So I'm going to click here, and now with this tool, you can see that we can merge points together. Now if I click on this point here, I'm going to merge the points over here. So if I click here, you can see that the merge happens up here. I'm going to undo that. Now if I click over here on this other point at the bottom, you can see that the merge is going to happen down here. I'm going to undo it again. And if I want the merge to happen in between the 2 points, I have to click anywhere else. So if I don't click on neither of these 2 points, the merge is going to happen in between. So I'm going to click outside like that, and you can see that the merge happened in between. So that's what we're going to be doing with the rest of these points that should be connected. So I'm going to go back to the selection tool. I'm going to select these 2 points like that. I'm going to go back to the weld tool. Remember the shortcut MQ. And then I'm going to click here. And now you can see that we don't have that gap anymore over here. So I'm going to do the same again. I'm going to select those 2 points. I'm going to use the weld tool again. I'm going to click, and now we don't have the gap here. And that's all we have to do. Select the points, use the weld tool, click, and we don't have the gap. Now something very important when you are working with this tool is that you have to make sure that you don't select other points that you don't need by accident. So for example, if I want to select these 2 points, this one and this one here, and I am not paying attention, I can accidentally select this other point over here, and this point is on the other side. And if I do that by accident, let's say I try to select these 2 points and I don't see that I selected another point, and I use the weld tool and I click, I'm going to be merging that other point with the points over here, and that is not what I need. And you can see that it is a complete mess. So I have to undo that, and all you have to do is just pay attention so you don't merge some points that you don't need to merge. So just make sure that you select only the points that you have to merge and use the weld tool. Select these 2 points, use the weld tool. Select these 2 points, use the weld tool. And we're going to do the same with this last point here. And just like that, you can see that we don't have the gap anymore. So that's a very easy way to do it. And that's all for this video. I hope that you liked it and that you learned something new. Have a nice day, and I will see you later. Bye bye.